How to add Visa card to Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Visa card to your Steam account. So for that, just open the Steam website, or you can also do it on your Steam launcher. And after that, just scroll down and select any of the game that you would like to purchase, and you have to select the game item and put it in your cart in order to use the Visa gift card properly. So for example, I'm gonna choose this particular game right here, and I'm just gonna put it in my cart. You can select any of the game as per your liking, and I have already selected a game in my cart, so I'm directly gonna go into my cart. And here on this page, as you can see, the game that I have selected, and you will see these two options, that purchase for myself and purchase as a gift. So when you click on purchase for myself, you will see all these payment methods. So you have to click on the drop down menu and select Visa as your payment method, and after that just go ahead and enter your further details like your card number, expiration date, security code, and your billing information. And along with that, if you want to use your Visa gift card while purchasing this particular game from Steam, you have to see your Visa card, and at the back of the card you will see a code for the gift card. You have to activate your Visa gift card properly in order to use it right here. Unfortunately, I can't show you the entire process right here because I don't have a Visa gift card with me right now. So yeah, that is how you will be able to use a Visa gift card on Steam. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.